Jim's out there mowing the back 40. I tell you, I cannot express how much we love this farm. There's a lot of work to do on it, but we're ready, willing, and able, and ready to put our blood, sweat, and tears into this. I'm standing right in the middle of the meadow, which I think is probably about 4 or 5 acres total. And right where Jim's mowing right now is probably about where we're going to start considering putting our pond, because there's a lot of inflow of water from an area over there where the dirt road is over there. And then there's like a little bit of a natural berm right about there that we can use to create the dam for the ponds that we want. And it might only be half an acre big, but I think it's doable. So in about 3 or 4 years after we get the barn built and we get our tractor, it's going to definitely be a lot more work we'll be able to do without having to do it manually. So it's Saturday. We're actually relaxing a little bit today. We did a lot of mudding in the garage and mother-in-law's suite today, and we're ready to just take a little break here in a little bit.